So this initiative started in a few stores in Atlantic Canada and now has gone across the country.
So the students found out about sensory-friendly shopping. They decided they wanted to advocate for their friends and classmates. So we decided to write letters. We worked to edit them together. We passed it by the principal. He gave us permission. We eventually walked over to Sobeys to deliver them to the manager. She jumped on board right away with us, and it kind of snowballed from there.
Driving into rural Cape Breton, I couldn't help but think about the day I was going to spend with these kids from Greenfield Elementary that helped grow this initiative with sensory-friendly shopping.
It's pretty neat to be pulling into the school where such a great idea was inspired. I have a 10-year-old daughter and she lives with some development and sensory challenges. So even for myself, grocery shopping can be a challenge taking her through the store. With the sensory things that we put in place, the dimming of the lights and the noise, it makes that task doable. And also, she loves to go, every week. Mom, we going to Sobeys? Can I get a cookie? She loves that experience and now we're able to give it to her.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Now, every Sobeys store, they're on board with the sensory shopping across all of Canada.
It was definitely very impactful sitting in the room with the students and hearing right from them how this made them feel and how proud they are.
And is it only for people with autism? No. Other people benefit from it as well?
Yeah.
And it's amazing to know that kids at that young of an age are already looking ahead for the future and want to make sure that everybody's included.
For the children to realize that they can work for such a big thing in their small community but benefits everybody across Canada, it's pretty spectacular.
Why would Sobeys do this? It's the right thing to do. We want to make sure all Canadians have a safe environment.